gang violence and other kind of violence.
Guess what? I could be at work, at school, in my car, and I can still get shot by the police. But I can get shot anywhere.
So it is what it is.
Earlier that day, I was at the park with my daughter, and she was having so much fun, and she was playing, and I felt the baby kicking, and I was just feeling so grateful that our life was good.
Marissa Monkman had no idea that just hours later, everything would change. It was Wednesday night when her husband, Eli, a locksmith, responded to a call from a woman saying she needed a key made for her car.
When he got there, a woman came out of the house and told him that the car was around the back of the house. And as he went to the back of the house, he caught a glimpse of a man wearing a ski mask holding two guns.
It happened in the 14,000 block of Sorrento on Detroit's west side. Eli turned to run, but the suspect shot him and demanded he turn over all his valuables, including all of his expensive locksmith equipment. He did what he was told, but in his mind, he was going to do whatever he could to survive.
He just thought that to run, to get away, to stay alive. And then after he was shot both times and he was on the ground, he thought that he was going to finish him off. He thought that he was just going to kill him. And for whatever reason, he didn't.
I'm here on the corner of MLK and Frederick Douglass, where a shooting just took place. And as you can see, it's a pretty rough area. So I'm basically risking my life reporting on this madness. So make sure you do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. Like the video, hell, share the video. And make sure you go ahead and leave a comment down in the comments section to continue the discussion on how we can find solutions to all this son violence in the streets. I'm Jenquavius Jackson, here live, reporting from Atlanta, Georgia, BGZM News 17.
As the young father laid on the ground, cars drove by slowly with their lights off. He feared he would be shot again, but then a miracle.
In the midst of something really bad happening, there was someone really good.
Out of nowhere, a stranger appeared.
Who came out after they heard gunshots and stood over my husband and protected him until the police arrived. That person made him feel safe in the worst moment of his life. And I'm so grateful that he did that. I'm so grateful.
Eli is expected to make a full recovery, but it will be months before he can work again. The sole provider for his family, his second child due in October. Marissa's sister set up a GoFundMe page in hopes of raising funds to help the family. Marissa is worried about finances, but she's also worried about her husband's emotional well-being.
How do you move on from someone trying to kill you? And not just saying they're going to kill you, but someone shooting you and chasing you with guns.
Now, there is some good news to report in this story. Police have arrested 2 people in this case, a man and a woman. They've also confiscated 4 weapons. And get this, they say that these 2 people were also involved in a very similar case against a different locksmith last week. Now, if you would like to help Eli and Marissa, we're putting a link for their GoFundMe page on our website, fox2detroit.com. Camille Amiri, Fox 2 News.
Gang violence and other kind of violence.
Guess what? I could be at work, at school, in my car, and I can still get shot by the police. But I can get shot anywhere.
So it is what it is.